Marcy here from myprettyposhprincess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make pacifier clips or teething toy clips featuring our new and really adorable flower clips. This first one is a little fast, so we'll do the full walkthrough on the next one. But do know you can find everything that you need to make these great clips on myprettyposhprincess.com, and for a limited amount of time, we are offering all 3 of the clips we're making in this video as a DIY kit. To start, cut your nylon cord to length. Then using a lighter, very carefully sear both of the edges. Once you do that, you're going to want to push them together, press them together firmly, be careful they're hot, so that it creates a very strong loop. You'll see me do that here. Once you do the pull test and you see that your loop is strong, you'll pick up your flower clip. This polka dot clip is truly adorable. You'll take one of the looped ends, you'll stick it through that edge, hold that open, and then take the other loop and pull it through so that it looks like this. Now it's time to thread your beads on. You can put them on any way that you like. I'll be using our loop turner to load the beads on, but you can use a thin paper clip, a wire, or a beading needle, whatever is the easiest and most convenient for you. You can find this loop turner on our website. You'll see I got those original 4 beads on. It's easier for me to get that wooden focal on just using a piece of wire. So I'll loop that wire around my cord and easily pull that little flower focal right through. Once that flower focal is secure where I want it, I'm going to load the rest of the silicone beads. I noticed at this point that my loop was going to be too long. Don't worry, you don't need to start over. Simply cut that loop, trim the excess cord off, and then carefully using your lighter, re-sear those edges and press them together tightly to create a smaller loop. After I fix that length, I will put the last silicone bead on and then tie a pretty standard knot at the end, pulling it as close as possible to that last brown bead so that it secures everything onto the cord. This is such an adorable clip. Lastly, we're going to finish off with another one of our bigger flower clips to create another great floral pacifier or teething toy clip. Don't forget, you can find everything you need to make clips like this or even these exact ones on our website, myprettyposhprincess.com. Thanks for watching and have so much fun crafting.